In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your game voice chat and mic's not working in Overwatch 2 on Xbox One or Xbox Series S or X. So the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller. Then we're going to scroll down and go to options. Now, what you want to do is navigate over to sound. And from general, what you want to do is ensure the master volume's turned up. And same thing with in game voice volume. Now, for your device, I recommend you select the one if you're using like a home theater, for example, or headphones. I'm going to go with headphones. And then what you want to do is use the trigger on your controller to scroll down to voice chat on the left sidebar. So from here, you want to turn up voice chat volume. This is going to be the volume from hearing other people speak. And for your voice chat mic volume, you want to ensure this is turned up as well. Now, if this is grayed out for you, it's because you're not in a game or you're not in a party currently. Then what you want to do is scroll down and you can leave group voice chat on auto join. And for team voice chat and matched voice chat, it's your choice if you want to leave these on or auto join. Then you want to scroll down and under capture for voice chat devices, you can leave it on default. And for voice chat mode, you can either go with open mics, your microphone's on all the time, or you can change it to push to talk, where you can customize which button you have to press down here in order to turn on your mic. So I'm going to change this back to open mic. And if it's still not working at this point, so you don't see your chat icon in the top left corner when you're talking, what you want to do now is press the X button on your controller. And we're going to scroll down and we're going to scroll over and select audio and music. From here, you want to ensure your headset mic is turned on, not only on your actual Xbox, but if you have a mute toggle on your headset with your mic, make sure you haven't accidentally turned that on. And you want to ensure your headset volume's turned up right here, as well as if you have a volume dial on your actual headset that it's turned up. Now for the headset chat mixer, you can leave this somewhere in the middle. And if you want to test out your microphone, you can turn up mic monitoring to get feedback as to what your mic actually sounds like. The next thing you want to do is press the X button on your controller again, and we're going to go to home. And then you want to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right. From general, you want to scroll on over, and we're going to go to volume and audio output. And you just want to ensure that the speaker audio, so I'm going to unplug my headset, is on the correct one. If you're not using a headset, you can go with one of these options down here, such as stereo uncompressed. But I'm using a headset, so I'm going to leave it on headset format. And for this, you want it on Windows Sonic for headphones or stereo uncompressed. Once you've done that, you can now back out, and then you want to scroll down and go to devices and connections and controllers and headsets. Then what you want to do is select the three dots at the bottom and ensure your Xbox wireless controller is up to date. Now, if you go back in game and you see that your headset still isn't working, this could be a hardware issue, whether it's your headset or controller, and I'd recommend trying to swap those out to see if that's the issue.